Okay, everybody, how are you? We're going to continue the lecture, the second lectures. We'll be talking about the pressures. So I'm going to share screen. And last lecture, we talked about the three phases and density, right? So the density, it's called 密度, right? In Chinese. And the specific gravity, it's called 比重, right? Okay. So some of our audience can speak Chinese, so I want to utilize their strengths to relay them back to their history. Okay, so 10-3, we're going to talk about pressure. Yeah, pressure 叫做压力, right? So pressure, it's defined as force, right, divided by area, right? So if you look at one object and it looks like that, okay? So it has an area A down here, okay? And this is the ground. So you want to calculate the pressure between these two surfaces. This area is not going to be the same as if you have something that looks like this, right? So this area is smaller, even though this two, the mg is the same, right? So they are the same object, you just place it upside down. Now this area is smaller, so it's A prime, right? So A prime is less than A. So you can see that P prime is going to be larger than P, right? Okay. And the unit for pressure is, so this is Newton, right? And this is meter square, right? So that's going to be your unit. So we also use Newton per meter square. And this is also called, Pascal. Okay. And keep in mind that one ATM, right? We haven't talked about ATM. So ATM is 大气压, right? 一个大气压, right? Is equal to 10 to the 5, roughly, okay? Roughly. 10 to the 5 Newton meter square, right? Divided by meter square, or 10 to the 5 Pascal. Okay, so that's all we're going to talk about in this small lecture here, okay? We'll see you in the next lecture.